Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So OnePlus Nord Core Edition 5G will launch on 10th of June, but already a lot has been leaked and it looks to be a rebranded Oppo phone announced in February this year. Yes, it's the Oppo Reno 5K. Anyways, just have a look at this back panel. It resembles OnePlus Nord phone. Even the colors match, like there is this blue and green color combination, the charcoal color, and the rumors are that there will be a white color variant as well, but that will probably be reserved for higher end variants. And this back panel will be made up of plastic. OnePlus has also teased that this will come with a 7.9mm thickness despite including a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really a good thing to see on this form factor. But what OnePlus failed to include is their popular alert slider. Yes, according to leaks, you won't be seeing alert slider on the latest Nord phone, which is really sad. On display side of things, the smartphone is expected to have a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. Under the display, there will be a fingerprint scanner as well. So from display perspective, it seems pretty much similar to the previous OnePlus Nord phone. For performance, there is the Snapdragon 750G processor, and if we compare that with the Snapdragon 765G found on the original OnePlus Nord, they are not far apart. Take a look at these benchmarking results by Nano Review. In CPU performance, Snapdragon 750G is better, but for GPU, it's the Snapdragon 765G. It is also tipped to have up to 8GB of RAM and a maximum of 128GB of onboard storage. However, there are rumors of 12GB of RAM variant being available. What's more is that the 5G band supported is only one, which is N78. We are unsure of whether they can add more bands via updates, but for now it's this N78, which doesn't kindle confidence that this will be future-proof. About cameras, there's the 64MP main camera by OmniVision, then there is expected to be an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP depth sensor. The phone may have a 16MP selfie camera sensor at the front. About its battery, it's expected to pack a 4500mAh battery with 30W charging, but the interesting aspect is the technology. It's Warp Charge 30T+, which should charge the phone up to 70% in just 30 minutes. Now coming to the important aspect, the price. It's said to be priced at 22,999 for the base variant, but this doesn't feel impressive at all. If you are able to spend some more, you can get near flagship experience with all the bells and whistles from other Chinese brands. So with that being said, what are your thoughts about this phone? Do let us know via comments. Thank you for watching. Peace out.